Are you looking for a way to make money while you are sleeping? If so, I have awesome news for you. There is an artificial intelligent informational technology company that will be branding and working for you 7 days a week, 24 hours a day, and 365 days a year. This company is called ONPASSIVE. They have an acronym called C.A.T.M.O. The C is for Complete Digital Online Solution. The A is for Automated Artificial Intelligence. The T is for Traffic, Targeted Traffic. The M is for Money, which gives you time and freedom with abundance living. The O is for ONPASSIVE, which means 100% hands-free, 100% automated. ONPASSIVE will build you a tremendous amount of wealth and allow you to earn a residual income for life, which just keeps growing. ONPASSIVE will also allow you to create a family dynasty for generations to come, which will leave a legacy you can be very proud of. Get back to the person that shared this video with you and become a founder today while the price is still $97.